Malaysia is truly a land of diversity, offering something unique at every turn. This Southeast Asian country, spanning parts of the Malay Peninsula and the island of Borneo, is a true gem. It's known for its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and a rich blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European cultural influences. As one of the world's mega diverse countries, Malaysia is home to an incredible array of flora and fauna, with numerous national parks and wildlife reserves dedicated to conservation. For this trip, the four of us planned an exciting journey to Taman Negara. Taman Negara, which means National Park in Malay, is one of the oldest tropical rainforests in the world, estimated to be over 130 million years old. Planning the trip as Nepali travelers wasn't that difficult. We just needed to sort out our itinerary, accommodation, and tickets for the trip, and submit them online. Thankfully, we got our visa in just one day, and our friend Novia made the process much easier. Once we left the city, the road became peaceful and calm, leading us through forests and palm tree plantations. Malaysia is, in fact, one of the largest producers and exporters of palm oil in the world. We had so much fun listening to each other's national music and singing along. It was truly a joyful experience. Our journey from Kuala Lumpur, the capital city, to Taman Negara took about 4 to 5 hours.
So finish your beer first here, and then don't carry the beers, walk around. 99% here Muslim. Alright, see you.
I'm the entertainment for tonight. There's a radio in my bank.
Hello guys! Hi!
You said yellow. You requested yellow. In the car?
We started with refreshing coconut drinks and a delicious Malay lunch. We spent an hour enjoying the birds' songs by the river, gossiping and soaking in the serene atmosphere. Our guide then arrived to take us deeper into the wild. Let's go and feel the environment as we did in that moment. We pre-booked our trip with I Am the Wild Travellers, and they needed to prepare dinner and breakfast in advance, as there are no hotels or resorts inside the rainforest. The only accommodation available is a tower for overnight stays and wildlife watching. While some team members went ahead to set up our camp and prepare the food, we continued exploring the area. The weather was a bit humid, but the nature, the whispering birds, and the calmness of the river had something special to offer. They made me feel deeply grateful for being on this beautiful earth.
What here? Having fun? Yeah. All right.
After a peaceful hour of boating, we began our hike through the forest. Our guide shared fascinating insights about the area's significance as a conservation site for the Peninsular Malaysian and montane rainforests. This lush environment, rich in biodiversity, is home to endangered species like the Malayan tiger and the Asian elephant. He also explained the vital roles that various plants and animals play in maintaining the ecosystem.
Put on the face?
Yeah.
Can
But they need to process.
cannot
But you don't put your face for right now.
Oh.
Otherwise you have allergic something. So not good. But for your skin, can.
What?
We call perawan. Perawan tree. They change the skin. I think around 1 or 3 months, they will change the new skin.
And then they will have the powder.
Yeah, they have the powder.
They always have powder or
They always have the powder.
But need
not
to
when
process.
yeah, they need to more process and then but not like when the raining time, raining season, no. One we call pheromone. Yeah, pheromone. So look, I show you. This is a practical, not the theory. Look. You can see what happened.
Oh, they lost their way.
They lost their way and then they have the walker. Yeah, they're going to clean my sweat. Termite and the ants, they are number one important in this forest. At the same time, they use the elements so they become like the speaker. So they can make the sound, they become more loud. We call casket. C-A-S-C-A. The stone very flat and slippery. Yeah. Swimming at the river, we can do that. Right? Okay. But you need to adjust it. Yes, So you know the honeybees before?
Yeah.
So if they want to make the nest, they want to process the honey, they always stay on this tree, top on the tree. Because this tree very high, very tall. And then I like the, you know, sambe. Yeah, we have the sambe. So the sambe, even they eating the honey, but a bit difficult to climb up to this tree because almost to the top, you can see the branch. Yeah. I'm talking about I was born in this national park.
Wow.
I walking in this national park, and until now I stay become the tourist guide already 16 years in this national park. Yeah?
Wow.
So I'm the Tarzan.
Yes.
A few years ago, I'm the Mowgli.
That's so sweet. You have been working here.
16 years already.
Yeah.
And, yeah, someday, my first time I saw the Black Panther, April 28, 2016. Yeah. This river, if you look map of National Park number 2, swimming area, around 200 or 300 meters from the swimming area, and I saw the Black Panther. And I still have the picture. Mandi. Oh, this one natural sandpaper.
The short hike turned out to be incredibly informative and rewarding for all of us. After the hike, we were ready to head to the tower to observe wild animals. This observation tower, located in the heart of the forest, is where we'll be staying tonight to watch wildlife. It's more of an observation post equipped with a few double beds for travelers. Since we booked through a travel agency, they provided everything we needed, including sleeping bags, mattresses, and supplies for dinner and breakfast. There's even a small area designated for cooking. This place is perfect for watching animals at night. They say animals come out after dark, so who knows? With a bit of luck, we might spot some tonight. But before night falls, we took a moment to unwind with some refreshments.
Not cold. It's like warm, but I like it.
The color is really funky.
Oh, you got very clean. You look so white. I look so white? Yeah. You're like medium gray between. Black and white. Oh my god.
And let me tell you, it was exactly what we needed. No Wi-Fi, no phones, no distractions. Just us, nature, and a calm sense of simplicity. We sat by the river, sharing laughs and stories about our day. The sound of the flowing water, the gentle breeze. It was pure peace. This, right here, is what traveling is all about. Connecting with nature, finding joy in the little things, and just being present. Honestly, it's overwhelming in the best way. While having dinner, the rain started to pour. But even then, we stayed awake, hopeful to catch a glimpse of the wild animals. We stayed up until 1 a.m., watching as the rain slowly came to a stop. But nature had its secrets, and it kept them hidden. No animals appeared that night. And yet, despite seeing nothing, we felt at peace. There's a strange beauty in moments like this, finding joy in simply being present in the stillness and mystery of nature. The next morning, we woke up to the gentle whispers of nature, the calm river flowing softly, and the birds serenading the start of a new day. Our crew, ever dedicated, had risen early to prepare breakfast for us. We enjoyed our meal by the serene riverside.
क्या खाते हो जस क्या खाते हो रे जसवर क्या खाते
Chocho on the sausage, beans.
breakfast हो
Soaking in the tranquility, these incredible individuals had worked tirelessly, guiding us, sharing their knowledge, and ensuring we were well cared for with warm meals and unforgettable experiences. Now, it was their turn to rest.
Cool.
And we gladly took a moment to clean our own utensils, grateful for their kindness and the peaceful beauty surrounding us. We carried these moments of stillness and connection in our hearts. Everything is packed, and we're ready to head back for another thrilling adventure in Taman Negara. There's so much waiting for us to explore. As we journey through the tranquil jungle, it's incredible to think that Taman Negara is one of the oldest rainforests on Earth, thriving for over 130 million years. This lush paradise is a haven for rare wildlife, including the Malayan tiger, Asian elephants, and vibrant bird species.
Yeah.
And I must say, our guide and his team made the journey even more memorable. They were incredibly friendly and kind, always finding ways to make us laugh, whether through funny jokes, playful antics, or light-hearted moments. Exploring the forest with their cheerful energy truly added a special touch to this unforgettable adventure.
That's good, that's good.
Beyond its natural beauty, the forest plays a critical role in purifying the air,
Perfect.
maintaining the water cycle, and preserving the delicate balance of life on our planet. We feel so grateful to witness and experience the magic of this ancient rainforest.
Don't dance.
There are lakes around. Maybe we start 2:30, maybe a bit late. So the bridge they will close at 3. And then so after the village, all your belonging you pass to me, because we're going to get wet 110%. So if you have the small bag, better for your camera. You can put your camera inside your bag, and then we put inside your plastic bag. Alright?
Thank you.
You guys have
Welcome.
So you need to ticket for Titian Silara Canopy walkway. Let's go again.
We set off on another adventurous journey, this time to explore the famous Canopy walk at Peninsula Malaysia's National Park. We walked up a few steps and along a charming wooden path for about 10 minutes. The short walk through the lush greenery was incredibly refreshing.
So you all go.
And soon, we arrived at the Canopy Walk, ready for the next thrilling experience.
Official dikhine kya? Ipor mein kya?
Ipon ito, nice.
It looks so official, like a house land paper.
Well, we started our canopy adventure. This 250-meter-long walkway takes you high above the forest floor, reaching up to 15 meters into the treetops. It was our first time experiencing something like this, and it felt both exciting and a little nerve-wracking. For safety, we made sure to maintain a 5-meter gap between each person, as instructed. As we walked, we were rewarded with breathtaking views, the lush rainforest stretching endlessly around us, and the serene river flowing gracefully below. It was a one-of-a-kind perspective of nature that left us in absolute awe, an experience truly unforgettable. With happy memories from our time at Canopy, we're now heading off to a new adventure, splashing water. It's our first time, so let's go.
Here, give me mine. Cool. Nice tower.
And I must say, after the fun of splashing around, we spent nearly an hour just floating, relaxing, and reflecting on the best days we've had here in Taman Negara. Everything felt so perfect. The serenity of nature, the soothing sensation of floating under the beautiful blue sky, and the gentle whispers of birds above. It was truly a moment to admire and treasure. After this peaceful pause, we made our way to the Batak village, home to one of the 18 tribes of the Orang Asli, Peninsular Malaysia's original people. These gentle natives of the jungle, who once roamed the ancient rainforest of Taman Negara as nomadic hunter-gatherers, welcomed us warmly. They shared their culture, their unique way of life, and their profound connection to the land, leaving us with a deep appreciation for their enduring harmony with nature.
Right, Tabung. So Tabung village, they have one of the tribe in Peninsula of Malaysia, and they stay here very long time ago, but they made this village already 6 years. Alright, so for this tribe, that one we call Batak. Yeah, Batak or Orang Asli Batak. Do you know what does it mean Orang Asli? Orang doesn't mean people, Asli doesn't mean original or aborigines. Yeah, you know orang utan. You know orang utan?
Orang utan.
Yeah, the animal.
Oh.
Yeah. So orang doesn't mean people, utan doesn't mean forest. So orang utan. Yeah. So here orang asli. So orang asli here, first they are coming from Austronesia. Right? So not Australia, but Austronesia. So from the Austronesia, they moved to Malaysia about 25,000 years ago. Alright? So for this tribe, and remember last night, they have two guys. Yeah, two guys bring another group. So they are also from the tribe. And also our boatmen just now, they also from the same tribe. Yeah, we call Batak Nagrito. Alright? So Nagrito or Negrito, yeah, Negruto, doesn't mean little negro. Alright? So they look like the Africans, but the size they are a bit smaller. So that's why we call Nagrito or Negro. Yeah. So for this tribe, yeah, the lifestyle they are nomads. So they are moving around from the place to another place, but they have the reason why they need to move. All right. So the first reason they move because someone died. Yeah. So that long time before, if someone died in this village, all the people in this village they need to move. because they believe the spirit stay walking around this village, so that's why they need to move. Yeah, so every time they move, they need to cross the river. Yeah, so when they cross the river, they need to find two rivers, right? So the big river down there we call Sungai Tembeling or Tembeling River. That one the main route for them. Alright, the small river they use for drinking and also they use for cooking. Yeah, because the small river, even the heavy rains, but the water very safe for drink because the water is clean. Alright, so like now, if someone die in this village, only the family they need to move. So 7 months, 8 months, they move to another village. After that, they will come back because they believe about the spirit also. Alright. So number 2, they move because about the food. Yeah. If they go hunting, nothing to eat, no food, so they need to move. Alright. So like long time before, if every time they move, they make a small villages like this one. But they're moving because of the food. Yeah, they stay one place only for 3 or 4 days. So that's why they make this village. Yeah, in 6 years they make this village. We bring them more about the ecotourism. Alright, because they have a big license from the government. They can do anything what they want inside the national park. They're hunting, they can cutting down the tree. So we need to save the nature. We need to save the forest. So that's why we bring this village more about the ecotourism. So every time they move because of the food, so they can stay here more longer because we bring more people come to this village. So you, if you blow flat 50, 70 meter, but depend your technique you ski. Alright, so when you put the ducks already inside, don't forget put the rotan leaf or leaf from the rotan, put behind. So if you not put behind, the ducks went down in your body, you will die, and the monkey say hi hi and bye bye. So you have to put this one, and the leaf you have to put behind. So they become stopper and more air pressure, right? So you can see the orang utan here. Pai fa pu chong.
Pai fa pucung.
Pai fa pu chong, bukan pai fa pai chong.
Wow.
You see it? Where is my light? Too romantic.
Almost.
Almost.
No more. Mila. Mila. You study? School?
The school.
Skula? Class? How to say class? Which
How
class?
beautiful it is to be
That's
far
enough.
from home, yet find a sense of belonging through shared stories and a universal love for culture.
You speak?
Satu.
Tatu. So cute. Beautiful. How much? Is it fine? Thank you.
I truly admire these people, and look at these handcrafted products they made with such skill and care. We even bought a little souvenir to cherish this beautiful memory.
They made it by themselves?
Yeah, use a knife to make the shape, the pattern. I also can do it like this, but it takes 1 year.
Can you do a cheers?
It was our final night in Taman Negara, and we ended it with a serene jungle night walk.
Yeah, so if you touch them, they will roll the body.
As we ventured into the darkness, we truly felt the pulse of the jungle come alive, learning about the insects, the birds, and the intricate ecosystem around us.
You can see it.
This is fungi?
Fungi.
Healthy fungi or?
Good fungi because they will have the termite for killing this tree, for recycle and ecosystem in this forest. I told everything from my experience. So now happen in front of our eyes. So they do the same thing. So you experience. This is theory. Yeah? They put the hooks, yeah, inside the woods, and they use laying the eggs. So they use the hook for laying the eggs. So that means they transfer the egg from the body, put inside the tree. Yeah, the bush cricket. You can see the antenna.
Right.
Very long, eh? So if they have long antenna, so that means they can get the connection Wi-Fi very well. Good for fish.
Trust me, it was an experience like no other. I've always enjoyed walks, but this one was truly special, leaving me with a deep sense of awe and connection to nature. Our short stay of 2 nights and 3 days in Taman Negara was nothing short of magical, filled with peace, adventure, laughter, and learning. None of this would have been possible without our incredible guide and his amazing team, who made every moment unforgettable. Taman Negara, a gem of Malaysia, will forever hold a special place in our hearts. Thank you for this beautiful experience. We'll cherish it always.